And we are live. Here we are. It is August 16th, 2023. We're taking a look at the futures market. Most notably, S&P 500, NASDAQ, and crude. So opening up on the ES, uh, we've been moving inside this prior developing value area high. It looks like we're attempting to accept inside, but we are now testing this DVA, one standard deviation. Technically, we are in balance up, so if we are looking to long, about 44.14 is where we'd like to take this long. Um, However, if we accept it even further below, perhaps look for shorts from there. Let's take a look at the quarterly. Quarterly was rotational, but now we are in balance down. We are at the 2 standard deviation band, so typically this is kind of a bullish sign that it is going to mean revert. So this is, even though it is technically in bounce down, this is bullish. All right, on the monthly, same story. We are in bounce down, past this 2 standard deviation band, so I accept us to get a little bit of bounce back, especially with how we sold off today. I would accept or expect kind of a move in the next direction. Basically, the same thing on the weekly. So interesting day today. So we opened, tested this area, came back, kept testing. In fact, let me just add something here. Just want to check a moving average, EMA. I think it's 67. Yeah. For some reason, the 67 EMA just randomly had on my chart today, and look at that. Very clean action off of it going down. Um, so we do get a little pullback here, and if you get in here, nice pullback again into this weekly developing value. The TPO is very weird looking profile. We have a poor high at 44.66. Interesting enough, that is the point of control of yesterday. But man, just it could not get any pushes past this point of control. So that should have let us know that buyers weren't going to really do much today. And on the composites, so looks like I need to combine these. Just combine all of these. All right, well, it doesn't really affect today, but anyway. So let's take a look at the ETH chart. Did I not? Oh, hold up. Let's take a look at this. Extending rake. Extending rake, yep. All right. Let's fix the natural chart too while we're at it. Okay, actually, no, it looks good. Okay. So back to ES. Interesting day. So we started here at about 933, and I saw that price was accepting inside here. Looked like for a pullback long, and on Nadro we did look a little weaker. Not Nadro. On Nasdaq we looked a little weaker, so that's where I took an extreme fade. Took profit here at 15.103 from a 15.055. So a nice 50-point trade, just using that correlation. But as you can see, price comes up. We test up here. 44.64 really holds. And just the point of control from yesterday. A lot of volume took place at that area, and sellers really wanted to maintain it. So this was not looking for buys. Another thing is we did open below yesterday's value area, so we were looking for shorts. Kind of had a short bias. And so extreme fades from up here were relevant, and if not, this little pullback short, but on a shorter time frame. You know, it's a bit of a range here. And price did break down. Right about here, and selling really took over. Do get this nice little pullback opportunity here. And yeah, so this was a beautiful opportunity to take a nice little short. I did not take it. But then, you know, price kind of rebounds and then goes about for the rest of the day. Another thing